Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in this episode, we're going to take a look at Millennium Group International Holdings Limited, ticker symbol MGIH, a Chinese microfloat and sympathy stock play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, guys, hit that subscribe button, set those notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we're not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. And if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, guys, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers. A lot of times we called out INBS pre-market on February 9th, 2024 before it ran up 282%. We also called out SUNW pre-market on February 9, 2024, before it ran up 279%. We also called out NSTG pre-market back on February 6th and pre-market February 9th before its run up 202%. We also called out EGOX pre-market on February 9th before it ran up 142%. We also called out TOP pre-market on February 9th before its run up 135%. And we called out ILAG pre-market February 9th before it ran up 120%. And by the way, we also did a video on February 8th on this stock as well. And finally, guys, we called out MGIH, the stock featured in this video, on February 9th before it ran up 117%. We are just made different, guys, just made different. This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read those candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Millennium Group International Holdings Limited, ticker symbol MGIH, which is located in Kwangtung, Hong Kong. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ packaging and containers company with an $11.59 million market cap and 861 employees. Millennium Group International Holdings Limited, an investment holding company, provides paper-based packaging and logistics and e-commerce solutions in mainland China, Hong Kong, Vietnam, and other Southeast Asian countries, as well as Australia, the United States, too. The company offers paper packaging products, including cardboard boxes, gift boxes, displays, corrugated outer cartons, manuals, and user guides for footwear products, sportswear, cookware, kitchenware, smartphones, food and beverage, paper and packaging, non-food and beverage consumables, board games also, and various board games, accessories, and home electronics. It also offers packaged solutions to various luxury products industries. Now, it provides packaging product supply chain management solutions, and it operates as a subsidiary of YC 1926 BVI Limited. The company was founded in 1978. Now, let's look at MGIH's most recent news. On November 30th, 2023, the company announced that its management team attended the 27th edition of Beauty World Middle East, held earlier this month in Dubai World Trade Center, highlighting the immense potential opportunity for the company to expand its core packaging and design business into this rapidly growing region. Beauty World Middle East is the largest trade fair for beauty, hair, fragrance, and well-being products in the region. The event generally hosts about 65,000 industry professionals from across 139 countries to connect, source, and gain insights within the market. Now, through the interactions of the key potential customers, Millennium Group International Holdings Limited established some pretty fruitful partnerships that established the supply chain management solution to service its brand customers at a broader level, according to its CEO, Ray Lai, and they gained some valuable insights into the marketing trends and pricing and segmentation. Now, on December the 19th, 2023, the company announced that its exceptional packaging design for the 12 Constellations perfume brand has been named the Hong Kong Product Launch of the Year in the packaging category at the Manufacturing Asia Awards in Singapore back in November. Now, another fact worth noting here, guys, is that the float on this company's stock is just 1.25 million shares. It is a micro-float stock. Now, the price action on MGIH's stock was pushed upward 117% in after hours on Friday, February 9th. The price action could potentially keep moving upward next week if more volume or news catalyst comes in. There may also be a sympathy stock play involved here, since several Chinese stocks similar to MGIH have rallied in the past week. Two examples were HOLO, which we called pre-market on February 7th, before its huge run up 3,277%, and another Chinese microfloat stock. That's what that one was. BETS was yet another Chinese microfloat stock company that we called out on February the 7th and pre-market on February the 8th, which ran up 141%. All of these factors can continue to move the price action upward for MGIH. A continuation in price increase is possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. Now, in the recording of this video, Sunday, February the 11th, 2024, the stock is now trading at $1.03. As we said earlier, you guys, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, guys. The early bird gets the cash. And by the way, like I said, we've included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. In conclusion, Millennium Group International Holdings Limited, MGIH, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the consumer discretionary sector. It is also a Chinese microfloat stock. MGIH is a company that we will be watching, and with the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will MGIH run parabolic? It will need volume, but of course, who knows for sure? Of course, we would also need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. Not advice, folks. We are not pros, but it's just my opinion, and I will have MGIH on my watch list. It's Double Moms, and I'll see all of you guys again on the flip side.